Nissan Shiko Roku 2021 AP Calculus AB. I knew it. Slope field. Gotta be a solve, separate and integrate. Oh, you guys gotta do well on this. Don't even have to like fill in a slope field. They just asked me to draw this curve. I'm going to do it right here before I go to my blank screen. And it goes through 0, 0. And what did I say? You go with the flow, right? So if I do this, where am I going? Where am I going? Spling, spling. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where? Okay, okay, okay. Horizontal tangent. Spling. How about it? Got a point just for doing that, you guys. All right, remember, get this question up. I'm going to go to my blank screen so I have a blank canvas to work this problem through. All right, and we're going to right now go to question B. All right, now what does question B ask us? All right, let's take a look at this. Well, I'm going to keep this up here. dy dt, that's my differential equation, right? Which is 12 minus y over 3. All right, and at time t equals 0, oh, 0, 0, how about that? So they give us a 0, 0 initial value. It says, using correct units, interpret the statement as the limit as t goes to infinity of a of t equal to 12 in the context of the problem. All right, what's a of t talking about? It's the amount in milligrams of medication in the patient at time t equals hours. So what would this mean? Well, this simply would mean, you guys, as the number of hours, because that's my t, as the number of hours approaches infinity, okay? And so this is like you just keep on giving the medication like crazy. The amount of medication in the patient goes to 12, what is it, 12 milligrams. So that's all you have to say. Now that would be only worth a point. So if you think about this, right? And we all know separate and integrate problems, that piece is worth like so much. So those first two, you guys, are only worth, right? It's only worth a point apiece. And the reason why is because this next part is going to be worth 4 to 5 points. My best guess is 5. So why don't we do it and we see how many points it is. So here we go. Let's separate this guy. So I would get this. Okay. dt, that'd be a point. Right, let's integrate. Sweet, that's a natural log. And this is the one I've talked about like crazy. We just got to put the negative out there, right? And so we get 1/4 t plus c. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. A c showed up. So what do? We find it, and how awesome. Oh, gosh, I just erased it. I don't know how that erased it. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Come on, this is my last one. Let's get this guy done. What was it? It was 12 minus y over 3. So we separated these bad boys. I just got so excited that I saw a t in my problem, you guys. Right? Negative, okay, equals 1/3 t plus c. Let's find it. 0, 0 would mean it would be equal to that, right, class? C. So we come over here. All right, we put that c in here. 1/3 t minus the natural log of 12. Remember, get rid of that negative sign. Oh, you guys definitely dominated this guy. Then we get rid of this natural log by changing it to an exponential, right? Remember, this is all up here as an exponent. You don't need to do this, but I sure find it helpful that I'm going to plus or minus both sides. I'm going to bring that 12, sorry, I'm going to bring that 12 down here. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract the 12, and then I'm going to divide by a negative, and then booyah, that is it. It's y equals 12 plus or minus. I'm going to pick the plus or minus, and we all know it's got to be the minus because 12 minus 12 is 0. 0. 0. I love you guys because you dominated this thing. All right, that's part C. That was worth 5 points. 5. Oh, I cannot wait for July and to see all of the amazing AP scores. I mean, just cannot wait. All right, here we go. Let's check out the last part. You should already be feeling great about yourselves. The last piece. Oh my gosh, why don't you write a book? All right, a different procedure is used to administer a second medication, the amount of milligrams. So we have this is modeled by y equals b of t. That satisfies, okay, so it satisfies the differential equation. So we're still using this guy right here, okay? All right, at time t equals 1, at time t equals 1, there are 2.5 milligrams of medication is the rate of change of the amount of medication. Oh, all right, we've talked about this, right? We've talked about this. I want to know if this rate of change is increasing or decreasing. So hopefully we remembered if that's what it's asking, I just need to find the second derivative, right? I just need to find the second derivative. So let's find the second derivative. Guess what? The derivative of 3 is 0. Then you have that negative on the outside. I'm going to keep it with the y. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it like that because it's just basically a quotient rule. And the quotient rule is the low times the derivative of the high, which would be negative dy dt, because this time we're doing it with respect to t. That'd be times, right? Times. Okay, minus the high, which is y times the derivative of the low, which would just be 1, because it would be dt dt, right? All over low t plus 2 squared. And so all I have to do now is find the second derivative at, what was it, 1 comma 2.5. That's it. And so if I do that, what do we get? We get 1 plus 2, which is 3. I have to know what dy dt is. Well, I easily can find dy dt by plugging in a 1 and a 2.5 into this guy over here, which would be 3 minus 2.5 over 3, right? Did I do that right, you guys? No, yes, I plug a 1, 2.5, so that'd be 3, 9. So what would that be? That'd be 6.5 over 3. That's a little strange, but it'd be 6.5 over 3, and then minus my y, which is 2.5 times 1, all over 9. Holy moly. Oh, spling. Let's go! Okay, so that's just 4 over 9. Right? Did I do all that right? I feel like I did. Oh no, that's a negative. That's a negative, right, class? So if that's a negative, I feel like, hold on, I just saw this negative right here. That's negative. Spling, that's still going to be negative. Did I forget? Oh, snap. When I plugged this in, that should have turned that to a positive, right, class? So I get negative, boom, which is less than 0, which means it's decreasing. Let's call it a wrap. Thank you guys so much for working so hard, getting ready for this AP exam. You guys, pretty much everybody said the multiple choice was nice and easy, Japanese, or at least okay. And I don't know about you guys, but after watching these videos, I have a feeling you're going to be feeling pretty darn good about yourselves. Alohas!